Hey Kelly, you look a bit exhausted today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hey Johnny. I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed with work lately.
I can see that. You've been staying late at the office every day this week.
Yeah, the new project deadline is approaching and the pressure is mounting.
I totally understand, but you have to remember that your mental health is just as important as your career.
I know, but it's hard to find balance when the workload keeps increasing.
Have you tried talking to the manager about your current capacity?
Not yet. I don't want to seem like I'm complaining or can't handle the job.
It's not complaining, Kelly. It's called professional communication.
Maybe you're right. I just feel like I'm constantly racing against the clock.
That's a common feeling. Many people struggle with the same issue.
How do you manage to stay so calm even when you have a lot on your plate?
Well, I started practicing some time management techniques and setting boundaries.
Boundaries? You mean saying no to extra tasks?
Exactly. You can't pour from an empty cup. You need to recharge.
That's a great way to put it. I often feel guilty for taking breaks.
You shouldn't. Breaks actually improve your productivity in the long run.
I've noticed that when I'm tired, I make more mistakes.
See? That's your brain telling you to slow down for a moment.
What's your routine when you feel the stress starting to kick in?
First, I take a deep breath and step away from my screen for 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes? Does that really help?
You'd be surprised. It resets your focus and lowers your cortisol levels.
I usually just grab another cup of coffee and keep pushing through.
Too much caffeine can actually increase your anxiety, you know.
I definitely feel more jittery after my third cup.
Try switching to herbal tea or just plain water. It makes a difference.
I'll try that tomorrow. What else do you recommend?
I also find that making a to-do list helps me visualize my progress.
I have a list, but it's so long that it actually stresses me out more.
Try the rule of 3. Just pick the 3 most important tasks for the day.
Only 3? What about the rest of the items on the list?
Those are secondary. Focus all your energy on the top 3 first.
That sounds more manageable. I always try to do everything at once.
Multitasking is often a myth. It's better to do one thing perfectly than 5 things halfway.
I'm definitely guilty of having 20 tabs open at the same time.
Close those tabs, Kelly. Focus on the task at hand.
I will. I also need to stop checking my work emails after I get home.
That's a huge one. Your home should be your sanctuary.
It's hard to disconnect when the phone is always buzzing.
Try turning off work notifications after 6 p.m. It's a game changer.
I'm afraid I might miss something urgent.
If it's truly urgent, they will call you. Most things can wait until morning.
You're right. The world won't end if I reply at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Precisely. We often create our own sense of urgency.
Do you ever feel like you're not doing enough, though?
All the time. It's called imposter syndrome.
I didn't know there was a name for it. I feel that way every single week.
It's very common among high achievers. You just have to acknowledge your wins.
I rarely celebrate my accomplishments. I just move to the next task.
You should take a moment to be proud of what you've achieved.
I'll try to be kinder to myself from now on.
Self-compassion is the key to avoiding burnout.
Burnout is exactly what I'm afraid of.
I've been there before. It takes a long time to recover, so prevention is better.
What are the early signs of burnout that I should look out for?
Irritability, lack of motivation, and feeling physically drained all the time.
That sounds exactly like my past 2 weeks.
Then it's time to take a step back and reassess your priorities.
I think I need a weekend getaway just to clear my head.
That's a fantastic idea. No laptops allowed.
Just nature, books, and some peace and quiet.
Nature has a way of healing the mind.
I used to go hiking every month. I haven't gone in ages.
You should get back into it. Physical activity is a great stress reliever.
Plus, the fresh air is so much better than the office air conditioning.
Definitely. Even a short walk in the park can boost your mood.
I'll schedule a hike for this coming Saturday.
Good for you. Make sure to pack some healthy snacks, too.
I usually just bring chips and soda.
Try some nuts or fruit instead. Your body will thank you.
I'm learning so much today. Thank you for listening to me, Johnny.
Anytime, Kelly. That's what friends are for.
It's nice to have someone to talk to about these things.
We all need a support system. Don't carry the weight alone.
I've realized that I've been isolating myself because I was so busy.
Social connection is actually one of the best ways to reduce stress.
I'll make sure to call my parents tonight. I haven't spoken to them in a while.
They'll be happy to hear from you.
And I'll stop by the gym on my way home.
Don't overdo it, though. Just a light workout is enough.
Right. Balance is the key word here.
Exactly. Life is a marathon, not a sprint.
I keep forgetting that. I always want results immediately.
Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to personal growth.
I'm glad we had this conversation. I feel much lighter now.
I can tell. Your smile is back.
Thanks for the to-do list tip, too. I'm going to try it right now.
Remember, just the top 3.
Got it. Task 1, finish the report. Task 2, organize the meeting. Task 3, go for a walk.
That's a perfect list. What about the other 15 tasks?
They can wait until tomorrow.
That's the spirit. You're already making progress.
By the way, how is your English podcast going?
It's going well. I'm focusing on providing value to the listeners.
I think people really appreciate hearing real-life conversations like this.
I hope so. Learning a language is more than just grammar. It's about communication.
And it's about expressing how we feel, too.
Definitely. Being able to talk about emotions in English is a high-level skill.
I'm still working on my vocabulary for that.
You're doing great. Words like overwhelmed and burnout are very useful.
I'll make a note of those.
Also, work-life balance and setting boundaries are essential terms.
I've heard those before, but I didn't know how to use them correctly.
Now you do. Context is everything.
It's much easier to remember words when they are part of a story.
That's why we do these recaps and conversations.
It makes learning feel less like a chore and more like a hobby.
That's the goal. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster.
I totally agree. I actually look forward to our chats.
Me too. It's a good break for both of us.
I should probably get back to work now, but I feel much more focused.
Take it one step at a time, Kelly.
I will. See you at lunch, maybe?
Sure, let's try that new healthy salad place down the street.
Sounds like a plan. No burgers today.
Ha! Okay, see you later.
See ya.
Actually, Kelly, wait a second. I wanted to ask you about that idiom you used earlier.
Which one?
You said racing against the clock.
Oh, right. It just means trying to finish something before a certain time.
It's such a vivid expression. I can almost see the clock chasing you.
It feels that way sometimes.
Another one I like is on my plate.
Yeah, like I have a lot on my plate right now.
It makes it easy to visualize having too many responsibilities.
English has so many food-related idioms, doesn't it?
It really does, like piece of cake or spill the beans.
I love spill the beans. It sounds so funny.
It basically means to tell a secret.
I'll try to use that in our next meeting if someone leaks the project details.
Haha, that would be appropriate.
What about under the weather? I heard that in the movie yesterday.
That just means someone is feeling a bit sick.
I see. So if I'm stressed and have a headache, I can say I'm under the weather?
Exactly. It's a very common, polite way to say you're not feeling well.
Thanks for the explanation. My vocabulary is growing every day.
That's the spirit. Consistency is key.
I'm going to start writing these down in a small notebook.
Great idea. Reviewing them at the end of the day helps with retention.
I'll also try to use at least one new idiom in every conversation.
That's a bold goal, but I think you can handle it.
Well, I don't want to bite off more than I can chew.
Look at you, using another idiom perfectly.
I couldn't resist.
You're a natural, Kelly.
Thanks, Johnny. I'm really motivated now.
Let's keep this momentum going.
Definitely. I'll see you at lunch for that salad.
Can't wait. Take care.
You too.
Oh, one more thing, Kelly.
Yes?
When you talk to the manager, remember to use I statements.
I statements? What are those?
Instead of saying, "You give me too much work," try saying, "I feel overwhelmed with the current workload."
Ah, I see. It sounds less accusatory.
Exactly. It focuses on your feelings rather than blaming the other person.
That's a very helpful tip for professional settings.
It works in personal relationships too.
I'll keep that in mind when I talk to my roommates about the dishes.
Good luck with that. Roommate issues can be tough.
Tell me about it, but communication is key, right?
Always, clear and honest communication prevents misunderstandings.
I used to be so afraid of confrontation.
Most people are, but confrontation doesn't have to be aggressive.
It can just be a calm discussion about needs and expectations.
Well said. You're becoming quite the expert on communication.
I've had a good teacher.
We learn from each other.
True. Okay, now I'm really going back to my desk.
Go get 'em, Kelly.
I will. Bye.
Bye. And to everyone watching the Daily Talk, we hope this conversation was helpful.
Stress is something we all face, but you don't have to face it alone.
Remember to take breaks and look after your mental health.
And keep practicing your English every day.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Leave a comment below with your favorite way to de-stress.
We love reading your feedback.
See you in the next video.
Keep learning, keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.